Hello everyone, I hope you all are fine and well at your home. So children, what we have learned previously, we have learned about the Karakoram ranges. And Karakoram ranges, where it lies? It lies in the northwest of the Himalayas, and where it is, and beyond the river Indus. Now what we learn? Life in this region. The life in this region, the main occupation of people is, yes, good, agriculture. And the second one is the sheep rearing, and the third one is wood carving. Then what we have learned? We learned about some states that lies in this Karakoram range. First, we learn about the Jammu Kashmir, and Jammu Kashmir is famous for apple orchard. And second one, it is also famous for saffron cultivation. And third one, what is Jammu Kashmir is famous for? Men and women wear a long woolen kurta, that is called the farran, and salwar. Okay, the long woolen kurta is called the farran. And they use also, what they use? They use kangri, means earthen, small earthen pot. In this pot there is what lies? A burning coal. Burning coals रहते हैं, किस लिए? To keep oneself warm. Now, and they what they drink? The people of Jammu Kashmir drink a special type of tea, that is called the kahwa. Now, and the tourist attraction place of Jammu Kashmir is the Srinagar, Gulmarg, Amarnath and Ladakh. Now, what we have learned in previous video about the Himachal Pradesh. What is the speciality of Himachal Pradesh? Himachal Pradesh is also famous for apple orchards, and the men wear cap, that is embroidered cap, that is called the Kulu cap, and women wear scarf, that is called dhazu. And the most popular festival of the Himachal Pradesh is the Kulu Dashera. कौन सा festival है जो popular है? Is the Kulu Dashera. And the tourist attraction place of the Himachal Pradesh is the Shimla, Dalhousie and Manali. Now the third one is what we have learned in previous video about the Uttarakhand. Uttarakhand is famous for basmati rice, lychees and plums. And some people weave woolen shawls, scarves, and the tourist attraction place of Uttarakhand is Nainital and Mussoorie and Haridwar. Now next is Sikkim. What we have learned about Sikkim? Sikkim is famous for oranges, cardamom and what is? An orchid. Orchid means a type of flower. And some men and women wear a loose gown. A loose gown, that is called bagu. And we are also colorful jewelry. It is made up of, this jewelry is made up of beads. And the main tourist places are Gangtok and Pemi. Now this next topic is what we learned in this video is the Purvachal hill ranges. What we learned? The Purvachal hill ranges. Now children, where it is? This is the eastern part of map. This is the north part of India's map. So now Purvachal hill, it lies the northeast. In the northeast are the Purvachal hill ranges, also known as the northeastern hills. See children, take out your social book, page number 16. Here map 2.1. In 2.1, so this is, what is this? This is the eastern part. Okay, so the Purvachal hills is that part. Purvachal ranges. This is the eastern part. This is the eastern part of our map and India, and these hills lies in that part. This the shaded part, the shaded portion of this is the Purvachal hill. What is this? This is the Purvanchal hill. This is the which side? East. It lies in the which? Eastern side. What is this? This is the Purvachal hills. What is this? The Purvachal hills. In the north-east are the Purvachal hills, and it is also called the, because north eastern hills. It is also called the north eastern hills because ये कहाँ से आ रही है? This, see this map 2.1. This is the northeast. It is also called the northeastern hills. So what is this Purvachal hills? Purvachal hills is what? In the northeast are the Purvachal hill ranges, are also known as northeastern hills. They covered with the hills are not very high. जैसे हिमालय रेंजेस में, काराकोरम रेंजेस में जो हिल्स होते थे, जो माउंटेन्स होते थे, they are very high. And but these ranges, the Purvachal hill, the hills are not very high. Something like that. The hills not very high. जो पहाड़ियाँ रहती है, hills, वो ज़्यादा ऊंचे नहीं होते. The hills are not very high, and there are thick forest. What is thick forest? They are covered with the thick forest. This Purvachal hills that is covered by the thick forest. Now, what do you know about the Purvanchal hill? Purvanchal hill, what is this? In the northeast of the Purvachal is called the Purvachal hill or the northeastern hills. The hills are not very high. The hills are not very high. जो hills है, जो पहाड़ियाँ है, वो ऊंचे नहीं हैं. The hills are not very high and it is covered by thick forest. जो hills है, वो किससे covered है? Thick. Thick means घने जंगल. It is covered by the thick. They are covered by the thick forest. Now, children, life in the region. Life in Purvanchal hill ranges. Life of the people living here. Life in the region. Now, the Purvachal hill ranges include the northeastern states, that is the eastern of Arunachal Pradesh, that is the Nagaland, Manipur and Mizoram, Tripura and Meghalaya. Which state? That is Nagaland. Second is Tripura. Third is Mizoram. Fourth is Manipur. And the fifth one is the Meghalaya. Now, which state? Nagaland, Tripura, Mizoram, Manipur and Meghalaya. Now, this and the main occupation of people living here is the, which is the main occupation is the farming, खेती. The main occupation living here is the farming and weaving, bunai, weaving. The main occupation is the farming and weaving of people living here. Nagaland, Tripura, Mizoram, Manipur and Meghalaya. And what is the main occupation of people that living here? The main occupation of people is the farming and the weaving. Weaving means bunai. Okay, so the farming and the weaving is the main occupation of people living in that region. So first children, and in farming, the people of in this that life in this region, so which type of crops they grow? कौन सी crops जो है वो किसकी खेती करते थे? The first is the rice, second maize, potatoes, ginger, pulses, oil seeds and fruits like oranges, pineapple and bananas. They also grow for sale in the market. So what do you learn in this? The Purvachal Hills, it is also it lies in the northeast, or it lies in the northeast are the Purvachal Hill ranges, and it is also called the northeastern hills. And the major states that lies in the Purvachal hills are the Nagaland, Tripura, Mizoram, Manipur and Meghalaya. And the people that living here in these states, the main occupation of people is the farming and weaving. क्या होती है? Farming and weaving. In farming, which type of crops they grow? कौन सी type of crops? क्या किसकी खेती करते थे? First is the pulses, दाल, rice, चावल, maize, potato, ginger, adrak, and what is oil seeds, and some fruits like oranges, pineapple. These for sale. Fruits की किस लिए करते थे? For selling purpose in the market, and bananas also. Clear? Now children, and Arunachal Pradesh also. Arunachal Pradesh. So first, the in Purvachal Hill, Nagaland, Tripura, Mizoram, Manipur, Meghalaya and Arunachal Pradesh. Now, first our topic is Arunachal Pradesh. What is Arunachal Pradesh? What do you know about the Arunachal Pradesh? Arunachal Pradesh. Arunachal Pradesh is famous for fruits orchard. Means it's famous for fruits orchard. And it also famous for orchids. It is also famous for, this is orchid, a type of flower. A type of flower. And fruit orchard means बागान. Means यहाँ पे फलों की बहुत बड़े बड़े क्या है? बागान है. Means orchards है. Fruit orchard. And the second one is, it is famous for orchid. Orchid, a type of flower. Okay. Now, second thing, some people do wood carving. कुछ लोग क्या करते हैं? Wood carving means the woodwork, and carpet weaving and make bamboo and cane products. Means some people do wood carving, means the woodwork, and second thing is carpet weaving. Carpet जो कि बिछाते हैं गलीचे, carpet weaving उनकी बुनाई करते हैं. Carpet weaving and make bamboo and cane products. Bamboo means जो बांस के जो प्रोडक्ट्स रहते हैं, जो चीजें हैं, वो किसकी बनाई जाती है? बैम्बू एंड केन प्रोडक्ट्स. सो व्हाट डू यू नो अबाउट द अरुणाचल प्रदेश? इट इज फेमस फॉर फ्रूट्स ऑर्चर्ड एंड इट इज ऑल्सो फेमस फॉर orchids. Now and people of this state, what is their occupation? Their occupation is wood carving means the woodwork, and carpet weaving and making products, making things of bamboo and cane, making products of bamboo and cane. And the famous tourist place of Arunachal Pradesh is what? कौन सी फेमस टूरिस्ट प्लेस है? Yes, Itanagar, Zairo, Twang are a few places of tourist attraction. What is Itanagar, Zairo and Twang? That is the tourist attraction place of this state. Which state? Arunachal Pradesh. So what do you know about the Arunachal Pradesh? Good. Arunachal Pradesh is famous for fruit orchards, and second one, it is also famous for orchids. Orchids means a type of flower, and the third one, the occupation of this state is wood carving, and second is wood carving means woodwork, and the second one is the carpet weaving, गलीचे बनाना, and the third one is they make products of bamboo and cane. And some tourist attraction place of this state is Itanagar. Itanagar is the capital of Arunachal Pradesh. Okay, so the main tourist attraction place are Itanagar, Zairo and Twang are some tourist place of attraction. Now next state is the Nagaland. Next state that lies in the Purvanchal hill is the second state is the Nagaland. Now children, apart from farming and wood carving means इसको छोड़ के इसको farming, खेती and wood weaving, bunai. Apart from these farming and weaving, wood carving and pottery are also important occupation. So this is the occupation also. But apart from this, इसके अलावा कौन कौन सी main occupation है? This is wood carving and pottery. They make the people of Nagaland make pots of different types. Okay, so apart from this farming and weaving, this is also the occupation of the people that living in Nagaland. ये जो लोगों का व्यवसाय है farming and weaving, but इसको छोड़ के apart from this, the occupation is the wood carving means the woodwork, and the second one is the pottery means they make the pots of different types. See, the baskets made from bamboo are a traditional handicraft of northeastern state. See, in Arunachal Pradesh they make this type of basket. This is the bamboo products, bamboo and cane products of the northeastern states. Now children, now the Nagas wear shawls of different design. Means Nagas means the people of Nagaland, that is the Nagas. They wear, क्या पहनते हैं? They wear the different designs of shawls. Shawls पहनते हैं अलग अलग different designs की. And we can tell the tribe Naga belong to the design to her or his shawl. हम उनकी क्या बता सकते हैं? ट्राइब मीन्स ये किस ट्राइब का, किस जनजाति से बिलोंग करता है. We can tell the tribe or Naga. जैसे नागा है, इनकी ट्राइब है, ट्राइब मीन्स द जनजाति। ओके, सो क्या है इस नागालैंड में, क्या कौन सी जनजाति के लोग पाए जाते हैं, कौन सी ट्राइब के, नागा। सो उनको किससे पहचाना जाता है, they can tell a tribe or naga belongs from design or his or her shawl, उनकी shawl से। Now Kohima and Dimapur are the places of tourist attraction. Tourist attraction place of Nagaland is the Kohima. Kohima is the capital and Dimapur. So what do you know about the Nagaland? Nagaland, the major occupation of people is the farming and weaving, but apart from these, the main occupation is the wood carving, that is the woodwork, and the pottery. They make the different pots, and the people, the Nagas, wear shawls of different design. ये क्या पहनते हैं जो नागास है, जो नागास means a tribe, एक जनजाति। Okay, so they wear the different types of shawls, different designs of shawls, and we can tell a tribe, a Naga belongs from the design or his or her shawl. हम क्या कहते हैं इनकी ट्राइब को, नागा, क्योंकि उनकी शॉल के अकॉर्डिंग डिफरेंट डिजाइन ऑफ हिज शॉल। So and the major tourist attraction places in this state is the Kohima and Dimapur. Now our next topic is the Manipur. Next topic is third one. What is this? Manipur. Okay children, Manipur, a variety of fruits such as lychee. कौन सा सबसे ज़्यादा वैरायटी ऑफ फ्रूट सच एज लीची, दिस इज द चेस्टनट, वॉलनट, पपैया and passion fruits are grown in Manipur. Which type of fruits? A variety of fruits means fruits की अलग अलग तरह की variety, a variety of fruits that are found in this state, that is called the lychee, chestnut, walnut, papaya, and the passion fruits are grown in this state Manipur. Second is the craftsmen. Craftsmen make articles from bamboo, cane and leather. See, these are the craftsmen in page number 19. These are the craftsmen. They make the products. वो products बनाते हैं किस चीज का? From bamboo, cane and leather. किस चीज का? Bamboo, cane and leather. They make, the people of this Manipur state make the products of bamboo, cane and leather. The craftsmen make the products of bamboo, cane and leather. And the Manipuri dance is very popular. जो मणिपुर का जो डांस है वो क्या बोलते हैं? मणिपुर का डांस क्या है? मणिपुरी. The Manipuri dance is very popular. Is very popular in this state, Manipur. And the Imphal and the Ukhrul attract many tourists. The capital of Manipur is the Imphal. So Imphal and Ukhrul, these are the tourist attraction place in Manipur. So children, what do you know about Manipur? क्या आप जानते हैं मणिपुर से? Yes, good. In Manipur, a variety of fruits, means a variety of fruits that are found in Manipur, like lychee, chestnut, walnut and papaya. And the second thing is the dance. The most popular dance of this state is the Manipuri dance. Second thing, and the tourist attraction place of this is the Manipur. What is the capital of Manipur? Good, Imphal. So Imphal and Ukhrul is the tourist attraction place of Manipur. And what is the occupation? The craftsmen of Manipur, they make the products of bamboo, cane and leather. Clear? Now children, our next topic is Mizoram. Our next topic is what? Mizoram. The traditional farming of Mizoram has now been replaced with fruits and rose cultivation. जो ट्रेडिशनल फार्मिंग जो होती थी मिजोरम में, अब क्या होने लग गई है इधर? किसकी? नाउ हैव रिप्लेस्ड विथ फ्रूट्स एंड रोज कल्टीवेशन. क्या होने लग गई है? Fruits and rose. A variety of fruits and a variety of rose cultivated in which state? In Mizoram. And the second thing is, some people make silk from silkworm. Silkworm insect होता है ना, उससे क्या मिलती है हमें? Silk. Okay. So some people make silk from silkworm. सिल्क से क्या बना, किससे बनाई जाती है ये? Which insect? Silkworm. Silkworms. Okay. And the third one is Chhappar Kut is an important festival celebrated in March. मार्च में जो important festival मनाया जाता है वो क्या है? Chhappar Kut. That celebrated in March. So, what do you know about Mizoram? Mizoram means which type of crops, which type of farming? The traditional farming is replaced. किससे change हो गए? With the fruits and the rose cultivation. किसका cultivation होता है? Fruits and rose cultivation. And many people make silk from silkworms. किससे बनाते हैं silk? Silkworm से. Some people make silk from silkworms. And the important festival that celebrated in March, that festival is the Chhappar Kut. Now next one is the Tripura. Next is Tripura, that also lies in the Purvachal hill. Now which type of crop like jute, rubber and bamboo are grown in Tripura? क्या क्या उगाया जाता है? Jute, rubber and bamboo are grown in Tripura. Bamboo is used to make handicrafts. Means handicraft means हाथ से बनाया जाता है bamboo, बांस से चीजें. See this. People, see this is the page number 20, a bamboo handicraft. People mostly speak Bangla. In Tripura, mostly people speak Bangla and Kokborok. What is Kokborok? And some tourist attraction place throughout the year is Agartala and Unnakoti. Now, what is the speciality of Tripura? Tripura की क्या speciality है? Jute, rubber and bamboo are grown in Tripura. किस किस चीजों की खेती होती है? Jute, rubber and bamboo. And mostly people speak Bangla. क्या बहुत सारे लोग क्या बोलते हैं इधर? Bangla. And Kokborok. The two languages that speak by the Tripura people is the Bangla and the Kokborok. And mostly people make things by किससे बनाते हैं? That is made by the bamboo. Bamboo से बनाते हैं. Bamboo handicraft is popular in Tripura. Okay. and the tourist attraction place is the Agartala and the Unnakoti. Now the last state is the Meghalaya. What is last state is the Meghalaya. This is also lie in the Purvachal Hills. People of this state belongs to the Garo, Khasi and Jayantia tribes. इसमें कौन कौन सी जनजाति के लोग रहते हैं? गारो, खासी एंड जयंतिया, that is the tribe. ये जनजाति है यहाँ की. यहाँ के लोग कौन कौन से? गारो, खासी एंड जयंतिया. Now the second one is Khasi and Garo. This is Khasi and the Garo. This is the main languages of people. They speak Garo and Khasi. And which festival is attracted by the big tourist? Now this is the festival. That is the strawberry festival. Is a big tourist attraction. स्ट्रॉबेरी फेस्टिवल ये टूरिस्ट अट्रैक्शन, बहुत सारे टूरिस्ट इसको क्या है देखने के लिए आते हैं. कौन से फेस्टिवल मनाने के लिए? द स्ट्रॉबेरी फेस्टिवल. एंड शिलोंग एंड चेरापूंजी आर पॉपुलर प्लेसेस टू विजिट. पॉपुलर प्लेसेस ऑफ टूरिस्ट अट्रैक्शन क्या है? शिलोंग एंड चेरापूंजी. सो व्हाट डू यू नो अबाउट द मेघालय? मेघालय क्या क्या जानते हैं? पीपल ऑफ दिस स्टेट बिलोंग्स टू गारो, खासी एंड जयंतिया ट्राइब एंड मोस्टली पीपल स्पीक गारो एंड खासी. दिस इज द लैंग्वेज ऑफ इट that most popular in the Meghalaya. Mostly people speak Garo and Khasi. And which festival is celebrated in Meghalaya? The Strawberry Festival. कौन सा festival? The Strawberry Festival is a big tourist attraction. Now, and which is the tourist attraction place? Is the Shillong and the Cherrapunji. Okay. Now, what is your homework? You have to read this full chapter 2 times. How many times? 2 times. Clear? You got it? Okay, children. Till then, bye bye.